Hello everybody in here, welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right now today, I'm reviewing this FLOUREScent camera, what's in this case here. And if you want to see what's in this case, then please watch this video. But first, roll those titles. Right, now let's see what's in this case. Right, in the case, it just zips off like so. In the case, as you can see, you get all loads of bits and different things that come in handy for different things. What I like about this camera is the fact is it's unusual. It actually comes with a dedicated remote control where you can put this on your wrist and just press basically camera and video without even touching the camera. Which is quite good. That's what I like about it. And also, what I like about this camera as well, you actually get a spare battery. That's good as well. And you get loads of different bits and different things and spares and instruction manual. Quite a few bits. The battery, what you got with this is 90 milliamp, two 90 milliamp batteries, and this can record in HD 30 frames per second, right? Then you've got 60 frames per second full HD. Then as well, you've got your 4K as well, which is 30 frames per second, the maximum it does. So it's quite a few different formats there. You can also do slow motion, but you can't do slow motion in 4K. You can only go up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. It also does recording loop, and it's got a 16 megapixel camera on it, which is 4640 by 3840. That's the maximum resolution it'll do. I'll just switch the camera on to show you. Just actually take out the case because yeah, waterproof case is normal. Something that comes in handy. This is the camera. To switch the camera on, at the front here, there's a button here. Obviously you got buttons at the sides. You got your button at the top. Then at the side here, you've got your micro SD and micro USB sockets. And let's turn the camera on. Got battery life, that's that. This is the camera when it's on. To navigate through the menus, press this button at the side, I think. Yeah, top at the top, I mean. Obviously, but I haven't got a memory card in, so I can't actually record. You have to have a memory card into it. The memory card, it goes up to 32 gigabytes micro SD. That's the maximum it'll do. I don't think I can actually. Troubles with these cameras, nothing will work unless you've got a micro SD in it. Otherwise, nothing else. It won't record or nothing. Obviously, because it just says error basic because I haven't got a micro SD in it. But obviously, I haven't got an on me at the moment, so I can't actually show you. And at the bottom here, this is a clip, and you can unclip that to take the battery out if you want to. I mean, it's a nice little camera. It's quite light. It's a bit like the GoPro. It's just basically the GoPro. It's just a copy of the GoPro. Obviously, there, make it the front and all. I like how it comes in this case because then you can actually go underwater with it as well. It's quite cool. This clips together like that. Clips on. And you've got it on the case. Now this would fit on obviously your bike or your helmet or different things like that. Because you've got all the attachments for that. which is quite come in handy. I think about that. I've covered most of the things I've got to say. The other thing is it's got a 170 degrees wide angle lens. I think I've covered most of the things I've got to say about this camera. It's waterproof up to 30 meters, which is 98 foot deep water. Yeah. Anyway, if you want to buy this camera, I'll put a link in the description below. If you want to buy this camera, you can do. Like the link and come to this link to this camera. As I say, when you buy it, it actually comes with all the attachments. It comes with a case. It comes with a remote control. It comes with a spare battery. For £50, I mean, I think if you're doing a lot of video recording, I think this is ideal. I mean, it's cheaper than a GoPro, and it's actually just the same as a GoPro as well. Probably better actually. But there you go. There you have it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like the video. Please share it with your friends if you want to. Share it on social media if you want. Please, basically, it'll help me out quite a lot. But apart from that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.